Federal executives are traveling and taking meetings all over the country. To manage nation's programs and departments, federal executives need to be on call around the clock, requiring unlimited and uninterrupted use of their devices. Reliable, encrypted, and accessible tech support is necessary to accommodate executives' busy schedules and work demands. The Connect2IT kiosk puts you in touch with live technicians who can triage the problem in real time. When the repair is too significant, smart lockers allow executives to access replacement devices on site in moments. Minimize executive downtime and ensure secure exchanges. Never again miss a flight or important meeting due to technical issues. Connect2IT Kiosk at Smart Locker, providing federal executives the IT support they need to keep up with the demands of their office and agency.